Hello dear friends, I am Dr. K. Krishnamurthy. In this video, I am going to tell you about what homeopathy can do and cannot do for the COVID-19 corona patients and suspects. In homeopathy, there are no vaccines, there are no preventive medicines, but the first correct, immediate and individualized prescription itself cuts short the further progress of any disease whatsoever. A notion has been spread in the public that homeopathy can provide a preventive medicine for corona that will be acting like vaccine in allopathy. This is a fallacy. Homeopathy cannot provide preventive remedies with the kind of effectiveness a vaccine may have. Homeopathy has an advantage over the other systems of medicine. The advantage lies in the fact that the selection of the indicated remedy is based on the individualized symptoms, not on the pathology. The conventional medicine has to wait until they have found the cause in the pathology before they can start treating a case. On the contrary, in homeopathy, we take into consideration the totality of the symptoms in order to start the treatment. Therefore, the intervention can be immediate. The totality of symptoms for each patient become the guiding signs for finding the indicated remedy. Therefore, a homeopath can prescribe a remedy with the first manifestation of symptoms and in this way preventing the full development of the pathology, that is, the state of bronchitis and pneumonia in corona. If the right remedy is given in an organism under a minor stress, like when we get a common cold or a simple flu, the organism will reset instantly and will not develop into bronchitis or pneumonia. In COVID-19, things are different. This virus acts very strangely as it develops very slowly in the beginning, and if it finds a weakened immune system, proceeds fast into destroying the lungs by creating pulmonary fibrosis, a state that the patient has such a dyspnea as he is drowning in water. So, the symptoms of corona from the initial to the final stage of pathology are: it may start as a common cold or simple flu and may develop into bronchitis or pneumonia. It then proceeds fast, destroying the lungs by creating pulmonary fibrosis. In the final state, the patient develops such a dyspnea as if he is drowning in water. These are the pathological symptoms of corona, but are of least important in the selection of the remedy. The general symptoms of the patient are of primary importance. They are whether the patient is cold or hot, whether he is angry or mild, whether he is happy or sad, when she weeps, whether she likes or dislikes consolation, whether he wants company or wants to be alone, and so on, that are far away from the main pathology. Rare and peculiar symptoms that no pathology can explain are very important in the selection of the indicated remedy. Herewith, I give you an example. The other day, a patient came to me with gastritis. He said that wherever he had pains in the head or stomach or leg, by pressing on the painful spot, he got eructations. The only remedy for this rare symptom is borax, which immediately relieved him. During the consultation, a homeopath hunts for such rare symptoms because they guide him to the curative medicine more than any clinical test. So, the corona positive or suspected cases needn't worry. They needn't come out of the quarantine or lockdown. Homeopathic online treatment can be given to them. What they need is a smartphone with WhatsApp or Geo app. A translator into English or Telugu is needed for non-Telugu speaking people without English knowledge. Medicine is selected on strict homeopathic lines using latest computer software. They can buy the medicine in their locality. For online treatment, please contact me. And my email address and phone number are given below. Thank you very much for watching.